Namaste everyone, I'm Master Praveen. Enjoy this video, and if you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe. And guys, we are also offering our online and our offline courses. उससे related जो भी detail है description के अंदर आपको link मिल जाएंगे. Please check our all the online offline courses. So thank you so much and enjoy. Namaste to all of you and welcome in our yoga class. So let's start with a relaxation and 3 times Om chanting. Everyone keep your eyes closed and your spine straight. कमर एकदम सीधी. Just be relaxed and be calm. Three times deep breath. Everyone inhale and deep exhale. Inhale and deep exhale. Inhale and deep exhale. Now 3 times Om chanting. Everyone inhale and now start. Inhale. One more time. Inhale. Rub your palm and make a heat. Rub your palm. Place your both palm on your eyes. दोनों हाथ आपकी आंखों पर. Relax your eyes and relax your mind. Gently open your eyes and look up at your palm. Keep smiling face and then just relax. Place your palm on your knee. We'll start with the next stretch. Everyone inhale and look up very slowly and gently. धीरे से. Exhale. Look down. Remember, chin to the neck. Do not sink your neck. Neck को sink नहीं करना. Inhale again. Look up. Shoulder relax and away from the ear. Come back. Exhale and slowly look down. Chin to the neck. Everyone. Inhale, look front. Exhale, turn your head on the right side. Inhale, center and exhale, turn on the left side, left की तरफ. Inhale, center. Exhale again on the right side. Shoulder should be relaxed. Inhale center, बिल्कुल धीरे, gently way. Exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, drop your head on the right shoulder. Inhale, center, and exhale on the left shoulder. Inhale, center. One more time, एक बार फिर. Exhale, drop your head right shoulder. तब आप अपना लेफ्ट शोल्डर पुश कीजिए नीचे. Inhale, center, and exhale, drop your head on the left shoulder, and now right shoulder down, and then relax. We'll go the next. Initial beginning practice, just like the whole body opening. Inhale, spine को lift कीजिए. I'm just showing you sidewise ताकि आप अच्छे तरह से देख पाए. Lift, exhale, push your chest front, and then look up. Opening in your shoulder, upper back. Inhale, come back. Exhale, squeeze, look down. Second time, inhale, lift your spine. Exhale, drop your shoulder, and then look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly and look down. नीचे देखिए. Good. Put your hands behind your hip. दोनों हाथ आपके हिप के पीछे. Inhale, spine को lift कीजिए. Lift up your spine. Exhale, same. Drop the shoulder blade. Chest push front, but lift the spine. Spine को lift कीजिए ऊपर की तरफ. Look up. Inhale, come back. Exhale, palm on the knee. Squeeze, suck your belly, and then look down. One more time. We will stay this time. अब की बार hold करेंगे. Inhale, lift your spine. पीछे नहीं जाना spine को. You have to push the spine a little front side, but lifting up. Drop shoulder, look up. 1. Breathing कीजिए. Inhalation and exhalation. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, exhale. Same सारा सांस बाहर. All the breath out. Suck your belly and look down. And now relax, everyone. Open your arms your shoulder level. Inhale, exhale your left hand down and right arm straight over the head. Look up, ऊपर देखिए. Inhale, come back. Exhale, same on the right side. Left arm straight over the head. Second time. Inhale, come back. Exhale, left hand down, right arm straight over the head. Hold it, stay कीजिए. 1, breathing. 2, 3, focus, push your right knee down. 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, same on the right side. Initial, a very beginning and gentle practice. Breathing. 1, 2, suck your belly inside. 3, 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Now drop your left elbow, right arm straight over the head. A little intense than before. 1, chest, कोशिश कीजिए. A little, keep your chest out. 2, right knee, push down. 3, 4, suck your belly in and breathing. 5 and 6. Everyone, drop your right elbow and then try to be still. 1. If someone of you can't keep the drop elbow, तो आप अपने हाथ सीधे कर सकते हैं. You can keep arms straight. 3, option. 4, 5 and 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, drop your right elbow and then लेफ्ट आर्म स्ट्रेट ओवर द हेड, लेफ्ट आर्म सीधा कीजिए, 1, रिमेंबर टू पुश योर लेफ्ट नी डाउन, 3, होल्ड इट, 4, suck your belly inside, सभी कीजिए, 5, and now 6, and from here also drop your left elbow and then try to be stay, कोशिश कीजिए, but also remember you have to push your left knee down, लेफ्ट नी को पुश करने नीचे की तरफ, 3, ब्रीथिंग नॉर्मल रहेगी लेकिन कंटिन्यूस लेवल पर रहेगी आप, 5, एंड देन 6, आ जाइए वापस, इनहेल, कम बैक एंड एक्सेल, देन रिलैक्स, गुड, ओपन आर्म्स अगेन योर शोल्डर लेवल, a little change, arm stretch, inhale, both arms up and look up, exhale, slowly bring your arms down and look down, again inhale, both arms up and just look up, exhale, slowly bring your arms down and look down, again arms up, finger lock and then palm facing up, ऊपर कीजिए, arm stretch कीजिए and just look up, stretch your arms, stretch your spine, push your knee down and suck your belly in, 3, breathing, 4, 5 and then 6, from here everyone inhale, हाथों को थोड़ा सा चेंज कर लीजिए, like inside, like me, inhale, and when you exhale try to squeeze, suck your belly and just move on the left side, make sure your shoulder and the wrist align, थोड़ा सा squeeze दीजिए spine में, inhale, spine straight, exhale, then squeeze, a little turn on the right side, again inhale, exhale, breath के साथ you have to be connect with your breath, one more time, inhale and exhale, same turn on the right side, and now relax, inhale, come back and exhale, bring your both arms down, हाथ नीचे ले आइए, left hand on your back, right hand up, inhale, stretch your right arm and exhale, bend on the left side, जाइए, stay कीजिए, hold it, 1, push your right knee down, 2, and also try, कोशिश कीजिए your right ear and the right arm bicep together, 5 and 6, inhale, come back, exhale, relax, right hand on the back, left hand up, inhale, stretch your left arm and exhale, then bend on the right side, right की तरफ जाइए, 1, down more, 2, a little down more you can, 5 and then 6, वापस आ जाइए, inhale, come back and exhale, bring your both hands down, we'll go the next, everyone just try to make a namaste mudra from the back side, palm together, open shoulder, drop shoulder and look up, if someone they are not able so they can only hold your elbow, आप ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं and just stay, come on, कोई भी एक ऑप्शन के साथ प्रैक्टिस कीजिए, this practice will give you the enough opening in your shoulder, in your upper back and in your lungs, 5 and 6, inhale, वापस आइए, exhale, maintain रखिए पोजीशन को, maintain the same position and exhale, slowly try to bend down everyone, जितना नीचे आप जा पाए जाइए, someone they feeling difficult so you can put some block pillow under the forehead, 5 4 6 and then relax, आ जाइए वापस, inhale, come back, exhale, relax, open your arms your shoulder level again, left hand on your right knee, right hand up, inhale, stretch your right arm and exhale, bend on the left side. जाइए, you have to give the whole sideways stretch from your west side. 2, breathing, 3, hold कीजिए, 5, 6, and then relax. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Right hand on the left knee, left hand up, inhale, stretch your left arm and exhale, then bend on the right side. Right की तरफ जाइए, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then relax and come back everyone. वापस आ जाइए. Good. Then make a finger lock from your back side. I'll take you back again in the shoulder opening practice. Inhale, lift your arms up. पीछे से हाथों को उठाइए. Good. कोशिश कीजिए. After that, once you feel is enough, drop your shoulder, lift the chest and look up. ऊपर देखिए. 1, breathing, but continuously, लगातार you have to focus on your shoulder and upper back. 5, and then 6. Inhale, come back. Exhale, धीरे धीरे नीचे जाइए. Slowly, just try to be bend forward everyone. Do your maximum. जाइए नीचे, सभी जाइए. 1, push your knee, push your hip, and also lift your both arms up. वापिस नहीं आना भी. कीजिए. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Very good. Inhale, come back, exhale, relax. Again, open arms your shoulder level. Both arms up, finger lock, palm facing up. Inhale, exhale, bend on the left side. Inhale, come back, exhale, bend on the right side. Inhale, come back, exhale, bend on the left side. Inhale, come back and exhale, bend on the right side. Inhale, come back and exhale, bring your both arms down. Keep your both legs straight. दोनों पैर सीधे कर लीजिए. A little open legs and move your legs. Legs move कीजिए. Move it. Just move it. Few more seconds. Spine straight. टेढ़ा मेढ़ा होके नहीं बैठना. Spine straight all the time. Move your knees up and down. Legs closer. Toes facing point. Flex your feet. Facing point. Flex your feet. Again facing point. And then flex your feet. Rotation. Ankle rotation. धीरे, slowly. Anti-clockwise. Opposite rotation. Okay guys. So here I will take you very gentle practice. So this practice will helpful for build up the strength in your leg, and also it will be helpful for reduce the extra fat from the your leg, means for your thigh and for the calf. So what you have to be do, put your arms just back side. This is a little strengthening practice, but you all can do it. Only lift your right leg up. Got it? And now just right leg up and down. Simply 1, 2, leg should be straight. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, easy, 9, एंड 10 स्टे कीजिए, यहां पर होल्ड कीजिए, 1 2 3 4 5 6 एंड देन रिलैक्स, राइट लेग ऑन योर लेफ्ट अपर थाई, ले आइए। अब इसको रिलैक्स करेंगे, पुश योर राइट नी डाउन 10 टाइम्स, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 एंड नाउ 10 हो गया। रिलैक्स योर लेग एंड नाउ द सेम विल गो फ्रॉम द लेफ्ट लेग से, लेफ्ट लेग से करेंगे, थोड़ा धीरे कीजिएगा, डू इट अ लिटिल स्लोली, स्पाइन स्ट्रेट, पुश द स्पाइन बैक एंड नाउ लेफ्ट लेग अप एंड डाउन। You can also do with the breath, inhale up, exhale down very gently, 2 3 inhale up, exhale down, try to connect with the breath, 5 4 6 9 8 7 and then 10 stay कीजिए, 1 2 lock your knee, 3 4 come on 5 and now 6 left leg on your right upper thigh। अब नी को पुश कीजिए, धीरे झटके से मत कीजिएगा, 1 do not give any just, 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and now 10 easy and then relax your both legs, relax कीजिए। again put your arms back, दोनों हाथ पीछे की तरफ, good, same, go back, this time both legs up everyone। अब दोनों लेग से करेंगे one by one, 1 2 3 4 5 धीरे धीरे 6, कोशिश कीजिए लेग्स को स्ट्रेट रखने की, ट्राई टू कीप योर लेग स्ट्रेट, 7 8 9 एंड देन 10 ओके डन। कम इन द बटरफ्लाई फ्रॉम हेयर, बटरफ्लाई में आ जाइए, होल्ड योर फीट एंड स्विंग योर नीज टुगेदर, कीजिए, मुस्कुरा भी लीजिए थोड़ा सा, कीजिए कीजिए कीजिए, कंटिन्यूअस, make sure spine straight। few more seconds, a very gentle warm up practice for your hip joints। place your palm on the knee and slowly push your knee down everyone, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 सभी कीजिए, रुकना नहीं है, डू नॉट स्टॉप योर सेल्फ, कंटिन्यूसली, 9 एंड नाउ 10 डन हो गया। बेंड योर बोथ लेग्स अगेन, कम बैक, पुट योर आर्म्स बिहाइंड योर हिप, सो दिस टाइम विल गो द easiest one। I will be add one more practice, only 10 times, 10 बार करेंगे सिर्फ, arms back, little spine back, legs up, so this time just both legs up and down, but try to do not touch the mat, आपको अपने फ्लोर को टच नहीं करना, 1 कीजिए, 2 धीरे धीरे, इनहेल अप एक्सेल डाउन, 3 स्पाइन में ऐसे झटके मत मारिए, स्पाइन वहीं रखिए, 4 5 7 9 3 2 8 6 कितने हो गए, एंड देन 10 ओके, आ जाइए वापस, कम बैक अगेन, कम बैक इन द बटरफ्लाई। मेरे को भूलने की थोड़ी आदत है, समटाइम्स आई फॉरगेट द काउंटिंग, सो प्लीज एडजस्ट विद मी। palm on the knee, inhale and exhale, this time धीरे से आगे जाइए, धीरे धीरे जाइए, ट्राई टू बेंड डाउन, स्टे कीजिए, 1 2, breathing, 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Relax everyone. वापिस आइए. Bend your both legs now. Knee and your feet together. Right leg inside, left leg straight on the left side. Open your both arms, your shoulder level. Inhale, exhale your left hand down and right arm straight over the head. Chest को बाहर की तरफ निकालो हल्का सा. 1, breathing. 2, relax your left shoulder. 4, 5, and from here everyone try to drop your left elbow. Come on, कोशिश कीजिए लेफ्ट एल्बो गिराने की. 1, बट नी नहीं उठाना. पुश द नी डाउन. कीजिए, रुकना नहीं है. 3, 4, 5, and now 6. Inhale, come back, exhale, now relax. We will go one more time side bending, but we will practice 5 times continuous. Left side, left side, left side, left side continuous 5 times. So both hands up, finger lock, but remember to practice with a breath. Inhale, सांस के साथ. Exhale, bend on the left. 1, 2, inhale, वापिस आइए. Exhale on the left. 1, 2, 3, inhale, वापिस आइए, come back. Exhale, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, inhale, come back. Exhale, now 4th time, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, inhale, come back. Now the last time, exhale, now bend on the left side and stay. यहाँ पर stay कीजिए. 1, breathing a little, keep your chest out. 2, 3, suck your belly in. 4, come on, stay. 5, 7, 9, and now 10. Inhale, come back, and exhale, relax your both hands, everyone. यहाँ से we'll go in the very gentle twist. Turn on the left side and try to hold your left foot, everyone. ऐसे पकड़ लीजिए. If you can do more, so you can even touch your left leg, or you want to use the strap or towel, you can. कीजिए. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then relax. आ जाइए वापस. And from here we will be combine something very very gentle, hamstring stretch. So you have to bend your left leg and put the left leg on your front side. इस तरीके से. I'll show you the sidewise. And hold your left foot, everyone. Once you bend the left leg, you will feel कि आपका left hip भी ना ऊपर जा रहा होगा. You feel your left hip is also going up. So first thing, try your both hips should be on the mat. आपके दोनों hip आपके floor पर या mat पर होने चाहिए. And after that, try to lift your left leg. इस तरह से नहीं उठाना आपको hip को. Hip दोनों नीचे रहेंगे आपके. Lift the left leg up, spine straight. After you can try to pull the leg your side. जितना आप pull कर पाए. 1. Any student finding difficult, आपको मुश्किल लगता है, so you can take the strap. But main thing, your spine straight. 3, 4, 5, and then 6, and relax everyone. आ जाइए वापस. So same practice, change your legs position. Change कर लीजिए. First will be the side bending. Open arms your shoulder level. Inhale, exhale, right hand down, left arm straight over the head. थोड़ा सा लिटिल कीप द चेस्ट आउट, चेस्ट को थोड़ा सा बाहर की तरफ निकालिए. 1 2 3, लेफ्ट आर्म स्ट्रेट, ऊपर वाला हाथ बिल्कुल सीधा रहेगा आपका. 5 6 एंड ड्रॉप यूर राइट एल्बो. राइट एल्बो को गिरा दीजिए, कोशिश कीजिए कीजिए कीजिए, सभी ट्राई कीजिए. 1, सिंक नहीं करना चेस्ट को नीचे की तरफ, थोड़ा सा बाहर की तरफ निकालिए. 2, पेट को अंदर खींच के रखिए, सक योर बेली इनसाइड एंड फोकस मोर ऑन द ब्रेथ. एंड नाउ रिलैक्स, आ जाइए वापस. इनहेल, कम बैक, एक्सेल, देन रिलैक्स इट. विल गो द सेकंड प्रैक्टिस, सॉरी द थर्ड प्रैक्टिस. बोथ हैंड्स अप, फिंगर लॉक. इनहेल, एक्सेल, बैंड ऑन द राइट साइड. जाइए. ओनली 1 2, कम बैक. इनहेल, वापिस आइए. एक्सेल, सेकेंड टाइम. 1 2 3, वापिस आइए. इनहेल, कम बैक. एक्सेल, गो ऑन द थर्ड टाइम. कम ऑन. 1 2 3 4, वापिस आइए. इनहेल, एक्सेल, अगेन फोर्थ टाइम. जाइए. 1 2 3 4 5, वापिस आइए. नाउ द लास्ट टाइम. इनहेल and exhale, bend on the right side, stay कीजिए. Here try to stay a little longer. 1, breathing. 2, strong arm. 5 6, and now relax. आइए वापस. Inhale, come back. Exhale, relax. Open your arms and then turn on your right side, everyone. राइट की तरफ चले जाइए. जाइए जाइए. 1 2 3 4 5 6, and then relax and come back, everyone. So here we'll go the same practice which we did other side. Bend your right leg and hold your right foot, your spine straight. Lift your right leg up. Inhale, exhale. It will depends on you how maximum you can pull the leg your side. अपनी तरफ खींचिए अपनी राइट लेग को. 1, स्टे कीजिए. 2 3, कीप लिफ्टिंग द स्पाइन. स्पाइन को लिफ्ट करते रहिए ऊपर की तरफ. हिप को पुश कीजिए नीचे की तरफ. लेग को पुल कीजिए अप की तरफ. एंड नाउ रिलैक्स. आ जाइए वापस. कम बैक. डन डन डन, हो गया. रिलैक्स योर लेग्स एंड मूव योर लेग्स. मूव कीजिए. So we'll go something very gentle, twisting. Legs together. Right hand on the left leg. Left hand near hip. Inhale, exhale, twist and look back. पीछे देखिए. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right. पीछे देखिए. Inhale, come back. Exhale, again, turn on the left. Inhale, come back and exhale, turn on the right. Inhale, come back. Now we will do a little change. So here, from now we will make the one sequence. I will give you the one flow. इस flow के अंदर we will be practice some twisting. We will practice some strength. We'll go for the twisting. We'll practice for the some strength. You will enjoy it. Okay? And every time the sequence will be just a little intense. थोड़ा थोड़ा सा challenge उसके अंदर increase होता जाएगा. But you all can do it. I know you all are very super strong. Open arm, shoulder level. So in the first round we'll go only 4 repetitions. Twist. Inhale and exhale. Turn on the left side. कीजिए. Push your hip down, everyone. Inhale, come back, वापिस आइए. Exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side. 3. Come back, inhale and exhale, turn on the right. 4. Inhale, come back, exhale. Now relax. Everyone, both arms upside. यहाँ पर. And spine straight. थोड़ा सा spine पीछे. And then legs up everyone. Easy. Stay कीजिए. 1, 2, legs up. 3. Remember, if anyone has a spine pain, means back pain problem, so they can drop your hands down. And now relax everyone. आ जाइए वापस. Relax. Now we'll go the second round. Second round will be more easy. Yeah? हम easy करते जाएंगे आगे. So this time we'll go only 6 time repetitions. Again, inhale. And every time you will feel more strong, super strong. And exhale, turn on the left side. जाइए. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the right side. Inhale, come back. And now the last round. Exhale, turn on the left side. जाइए. Inhale, come back. And exhale, turn on the right side. Very good. आ जाइए वापस. Inhale, come back. Exhale, now relax. Ready? Same. Your spine straight. Arms front side. थोड़ा सा spine को push करेंगे पीछे की तरफ. Little push the spine back. Legs up. Only 6 time. Easy ऐसे हो जाएगा. देखिए आप कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. हम stay कीजिए. Stay और भी easy रहेगा. देखिए stay करके देखिए. कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. वापिस आ जाइए. You feel? You did last time, you did now. More easy. अभी हम last round की तरफ जाएं. We'll go with the last round. So this time only 8 time twisting. Ready? ये जो आपकी tummy है ना, your tummy, ये tummy आपकी और भी अच्छी हो जाएगी. Your tummy will be look more beautiful. Open arms. Inhale. पसीना बाद में पोंछिए. Inhale. Exhale. Come on. Turn on the left side. Inhale, come back. हंसते हंसते जाइए. Exhale on the right side. Inhale, come back. Exhale, turn on the left side. जाइए. Inhale, come back. Exhale on the right side. जाइए, धीरे धीरे जाइए. All the breath out. सारा सांस बाहर निकाल के आना है ट्विस्टिंग में. Inhale, वापिस आइए. 2 rounds more. Exhale on the left side. All the breath out. सारा सांस बाहर निकाल के तब आना आपको. Inhale, come back. Exhale on the right side. Go it. And now the last round. Again inhale. Fight नहीं करनी practice के साथ. Exhale, turn on the left side. Do not try to fight with your practice. Inhale, come back. And exhale again, last time on the right side. जाइए. Very good. Inhale, come back. Exhale, now relax. So we will repeat again. So this time we will be only practice 10 times. Last time 6 किया था. This time we will do the 10 times. आप करके देखिए. You will feel more strong. आपको और भी easy लगेगा. Come on, spine back. Hands up and legs up. कीजिए. 1. Come on. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, everyone, 9 and 10, and this time everyone both arms up, ऊपर की तरफ हाथ रखिए, and you can try to look up, ऊपर देखो सभी, legs up, hands up, look up, छत को देखो अपनी, everyone try to look up at the ceiling. 1, stay, legs up more. 3, up more. 5, look up, छत को देखो, you see the color of your roof. And now relax, वापिस आ जाइए, inhale and exhale. Now try to be bent forward. जाइए, stay कीजिए, hold it, stay कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Everyone come in the cross leg position. Just for 2-3 minutes we will practice the breathing, simple breathing. Cross your leg, everyone. You can make the chin mudra and your eyes closed. And only for 2 minutes, deep inhalation and deep exhalation. Everyone inhale and deep and long exhale. आप बस करते रहिए. Everyone just go ahead with the same deep breathing routine. Deep inhalation and deep exhalation. You can be try as long, as slow and as deep you can. जितना लंबा गहरा श्वास आप ले सकते हैं लीजिए, और उसी स्वे के अंदर the same way you are inhalation, the same way you just try to be exhalation. You do not need to hold your breath. The continuously process inhalation and exhalation. You can be do the lungs breathing, you can be do the stomach breathing, or you can be do the yogic, means the complete breathing. It's all up to you. But the main thing, you have to be focused on your breath. Your whole awareness should be on the breath. आपका सारा ध्यान आपकी breath पर होना चाहिए. Just couple of seconds, कुछ seconds more. Inhalation, exhalation through your nostril only. And now relax everyone. आंखें खोल लीजिए. Good. Keep your legs straight again. This is just was to let you feel relaxed and let you feel aware. Come on, relax कीजिए. Now bend your both legs and come in the meow meow pose. आइए, किस किस को पता है? Who knows the meow meow pose? सभी को पता है? Cat pose. So first few repetitions in the cat and cow, the Majari Asana. Inhale, push your hip out, open shoulder, look up. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, look up, look at your navel point. Again, inhale, push your hip out and look up. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, look up, navel point. One more time, inhale, push your hip out and look up. Exhale, squeeze, suck your belly, look up, navel point. And now relax. Later, I will take you back in the same practice. But before that, we will be practicing the downward and upward. I'll give you the 1 minute. This is the very common movement we usually practice. आपको करना क्या है? What you have to be do? You have to become in the downward, arms, legs, spine straight. If any student can, so they can even try to touch the mat. If cannot, so you can be here. And then you have to become in the upward dog. Drop the knee, heel facing inside, chest in between arms, look up. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, upward dog. हो जाइए शुरू. And exhale, downward dog. Come on. only for 1 minute everyone. कीजिए कीजिए, I am counting your time. Continuous कीजिए. When you come in the upward dog, it should be with the inhalation, and you do not need to be in a hurry. जल्दी में नहीं करना. You have to be do it slowly movement, and each and every movement try to be stay 2 to 3 seconds so that you can understand and so that you can connect with that movement. Chest को अपने हाथों के बीच में रखिए. Try to keep pushing the chest in between your arms, especially in the upward facing dog everyone. Okay, done. आ जाइए कैट पोज के अंदर. Once again return in the cat pose everyone. Very good. And here just take you one deep breath. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Inhale and exhale. अभी आपको यहां पर क्या करना है? In the cat posture, I will let you practice the Agnisara Kriya. एक बार आप बैठ जाइए. You can be sit in the Vajrasana. You all knows the Agnisara Kriya. We are combining the practice. I know, because usually you always avoid it. But this practice is also very beneficial, especially to reducing the fat, obesity, and your all the digestion system is a really very good practice. Precautions is also there: stomach pain, ulcer, hernia, spinal pain, menses time, pregnancy time. So उस केस में आपको avoid आपको करना. Other student they can be practice. इसका करने का तरीका क्या? You have to be inhalation, you have to be exhalation from the mouth, and after you have to be hold the breath and stomach in and out. सांस को बाहर निकालने के बाद आपको सांस को होल्ड करना है, मीन्स बाह्य कुंभका, एंड देन स्टमक इन एंड आउट. गॉट इट? सो इस प्रैक्टिस को हम कैट पोस्चर के अंदर करेंगे. वी विल बी डू द अग्निसारा क्रिया इन द कैट पोस्चर एंड यू विल फील मोर कनेक्शन विद दैट. तरीका, द टेक्निक विल बी रिमेन सेम. यू हैव टू कम इन द कैट, इनहेल, एक्सहेल फ्रॉम द माउथ, एंड देन hold the breath and then try. We will only try 2 times. Come on everyone, just try. And आपको बहुत जल्दी जल्दी भी नहीं करना. You do not need to do very very fast. सुपर एक्सप्रेस की तरह नहीं करना. You can do little one constant speed, ताकि आप थोड़ा लंबे समय तक इसको कर पाए. Come on, inhale and exhale from the mouth. Everyone start. हो जाइए शुरू. Stomach in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. कीजिए 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 कीजिए. Any time when you feel exhaust, you feel enough, please stop immediately. जरूरत से ज़्यादा मत कीजिएगा, otherwise later it can be have the stomach ache. धीरे धीरे कीजिए. You have to be continuously. Come on, and now relax everyone. Relax कीजिए. Relax, relax. वापस नहीं आना. Just stay in the cat pose everyone. We will be combined the practice in the tiger pose. Lift your left leg everyone. Left leg, and then also your right hand up. Stay कीजिए. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then squeeze. Hug your left knee with the right hand, and then try to touch your left knee. कीजिए. Maintain the balance. You need to be use your arm strength, your core strength, and the balance of mind. 2, hold कीजिए. 3, 4, 5, 6, and now relax. Again leg back, right hand up. The last practice, bend the left leg, hold the left ankle with the right hand and lift up. Come on, the last practice everyone. 2, 3, maintain the balance, be strong. 5, 6, 7, and then relax. Okay, Done. Beautiful. I know you all can do it. You all are very super strong. So we will be try once again the Agnisara, just the second time. Same posture in the cat pose. Same technique. First take one deep breath. Inhale. Deep exhale. Now we ready. Inhale from the nostril, exhale from the mouth. Inhale. Exhale from the mouth. And now start. Stomach in and out. Stomach in and out. In and out, in and out, in and out. कीजिए 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 कीजिए. Once you feel enough, then you can be stopped. Because we all have the different capacity. Okay guys? Relax. Done. So here, right leg up in the tiger pose, Vyagrasana, and then your left hand up. कीजिए. We'll go the step by step, but take care your right arm position. Wrong practice can be harmful for your right wrist. Your right shoulder and the wrist should be aligned. 4, 5, 6, and now squeeze and hug your right knee, and right knee को touch करने की कोशिश कीजिए. But remember your right arm will be remain same. वो बिल्कुल सीधा रहेगा. 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6. Again, गिरना नहीं है, गिरना नहीं है, गिरना not allowed. Bend your right leg and hold the right ankle with the left hand. Then try. Maintain the balance. 1, breathe in. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, done. Relax everyone. आ जाइए वापस. Very good. Come in the cat pose again. A little open the knee and come in the child. Just relaxation for a 1 minute. Relax कीजिए.